So obviously, as you can tell, I am driving our 01 Ford Excursion. Obviously not the car, because its wheel bearing just went out. And me and jacked the car up, and the wheel kind of fell over a little bit, so we knew we had to go get that replaced. So we're heading to local CarQuest to go pick up the wheel bearing, and hopefully it'll be a quick install and won't be no problems whatsoever. First real problem in a while for the car. It's been running pretty good. Everything's working just fine on it until today, apparently. But hopefully I can get the car back up and running later on today, and hopefully do another video, and I might tie this one into it. I think I got a wheel bearing for me somewhere. These in right here.
For Sean, yes, you got four bearings.
Is that what he wanted for?
That's for Bel Air.
Yep.
That's probably 2 inners, 2 outers, I'm guessing.
Sure.
I don't know.
Did he already put it to the account?
Yeah, he's already charged it.
Man, he's good. He's good, isn't he? So we're heading home from CarQuest in Gallipolis with our wheel bearings, and here are our wheel bearings. So we'll be putting those on as soon as I get home, and I'll bring you guys along for that installation. I'd like to give a big shout out to Jeff at CarQuest at Gallipolis. He's done a lot of things for me and Dad, and I really thank him for his service and helping me and Dad out. So Jeff, if you're watching this, I'd also like to give another shout out to Matthew Kingery down in Florida. Matthew messaged me today on Facebook about my car videos on YouTube, and it was really cool to interact with one of my fans who I actually don't know and lives down in Florida. And for me, that was really cool. So Matthew, if you're watching this, thank you. We're back in the car. We got the wheel bearing changed, and we got the clutch linkage a little bit shortened, so it makes the pressure a lot less when you're pushing in the clutch. I wanted to end this video on some things that I'm going to do very soon to the car, hopefully within this year. Soon I will be purchasing some quarter panels and fenders for the car. Obviously, as a 50-year-old car, the body seems to get very, very bad. The body seems to get very bad, and it's getting really bad now, and I just really need to replace it before it rusts anything else. And so after we change the body components, I will be purchasing a camshaft and an intake manifold. I don't really know what kind of intake and camshaft right now at this point, but I do know within this year I will be purchasing a new one. And hopefully I will be still on YouTube long enough to show you guys that and show you the difference and stuff like that. So that's really all I wanted to say in the car. Now that I got it back up and running for the time being. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. I'll put all the links down in the description to CarQuest and all my social media. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.